How to create an event pass from the Urmet CallMe app. To create an event pass from the Urmet CallMe app, tap on the menu icon in the top right and then click My Passes. Then tap Add Pass. Select Event Pass from the list. An event pass can be set up for multiple uses between a specified date and time range. Give the pass a name and then tap Confirm. Then specify an end date and time that the pass will be valid to. Once complete, tap Confirm. The next screen allows you to define the number of uses. This can either be set to unlimited uses with the toggle button, or you can specify a specific number. Then tap Confirm. You can then select specific entrances and doors from the available list. Then tap Confirm. The QR code and PIN code will be generated. This image can then be shared with others by email or another messaging app. You can then tap Go to Passes to return to your current passes.